Hello everyone, I'm coming at you with a video on making your own or do-it-yourself at-home hair conditioner, okay? And I'm gonna use this little blender right here, okay? And the reason why is because I ordered some shea butter off of eBay, and I just ordered this, what was it, anyway, I just ordered this much, okay? So I'm just going to mix it up in this little bowl. So I decided to use this to mix it up with instead of putting it in that big old blender, okay? So I'm hoping to be able to stretch this. I may have to get an extension cord, but anyway, what I'm going to add is some vitamin E oil, and this time instead of coconut oil, I am going to add olive oil to this particular one. You can add whatever you want to add, okay? I like to do this because it's really good on the hair. They're natural ingredients. You don't have those sulfates, those parabens, and all that other kind of stuff that they add to conditioners and stuff like that, okay? So I'm going to open this stuff to get started. And I have a tablespoon. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, how about this? We're going to put 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. And I mean a whole tablespoon. Okay. That's what it looks like right there. I don't want to spill it, okay. But we're going to put it in this cup. Okay. We're going to put 2 tablespoons. Now you can use your own measurements, okay? I'm just saying this, I'm just doing this to let you know how much I'm putting in here. However, it's up to you because, like I said, it's do-it-yourself. It's an at-home recipe, and you know what's in your stuff, okay? You know it's natural. I'm going to take this shea butter. Now, a lot of people think when they put shea butter, because they have butter at the end of the word, okay, that it is going to moisturize their hair, okay? But just to let you know, I might have said it before, I'll say it again. Shea butter is not a moisturizer in and of itself. It's a sealant, okay? So if you add like oil or something like that, the shea butter will lock in that moisture, okay? And that's what it's good for doing. It's good for locking in moisture. So I'm going to take this and smash it up a little bit, mix it up by smashing it. Okay, now depending on the consistency that you want your concoction to come out will depend on how much of the oils you add to it, okay? Because I like mine to be like kind of creamy, not real runny. But this is a little, I might need to add, we're going to add some more olive oil. There we go. We're going to add a little bit more. I'm not measuring, just squirt it in. Okay, and we're going to order. So now what I'm going to do with this handheld mixer is to mix it up real good, okay, and get it creamy. So let's see. I don't know how this is going to work. This is my first time actually using that handheld. So or you could just stir it up like I'm doing. See? And it still comes out good. I may not even need to use that blender. Okay. There we go. And the reason I ran out of my other concoction, okay? See, this is not a lot. That's why next time I'm going to order a little tub. It comes in a tub about this size, and that lasts me longer. Okay, now if you want to get the any little lumps out of here, I would suggest you use a blender. Okay, I'm going to put in a little more oil. Oh yeah, it's getting creamier. You can see it. See how it's getting creamier? The consistency? Yeah. Real easy at home. So this shea butter that I have added is going to help seal in the vitamin E oil and the olive oil. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil because I want it a little creamier, okay, but at least I'm not adding too much at one time. So you want to take your time on this. My arm is getting tired from stirring. Yes, it is. Show you the consistency. And this is real good for the hair. My granddaughter likes it. I like it. It's real simple. It's affordable, okay? It's cheaper than going to the store and buying it. Okay, I'm sorry, but I am not paying no $15 for Carol's daughter when I could do something this simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take that hand blender and see if I can blend it. And that's just what it's looking like. It's not that much product. So I'm going to get some more, okay? But this will get my hair nice and moisturized up, okay? Until I get some more in the mail. Because I can't just go in the store out here and buy shea butter, okay? Raw shea butter, because they don't have it out here. That's why I had to order this online. So I hope this helps. I hope you guys, you know, get inspired to do your own. Ooh. Hair concoction, okay? And I'm going to start because my hair has been thirsty. Woo! Put this in my hair. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. That feels really good. Wow. Okay. This feels real good, okay? I suggest you guys try this, okay? And my hair feels nice and soft, but this even makes it feel softer when I put this in here, okay? Oh, yeah. So I am taking the part that's, I am trying to get all my little bit off that blade. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo. Okay. I feel better now that I got my concoction in and I made some. So I'll be good for about the rest of the month. And then I'll look for some more because I'm thinking about adding some maybe black castor oil in there. You can do that, okay? And vitamin E, which is excellent for the hair, okay? You can even chop up some vitamins and put them in there and blend it up too if you want hair food, okay? So I hope this helps. I hope this gives you ideas, okay, to make your own concoction. Tag me in your video because I will watch it, okay? Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And don't forget to stay blessed.